Understanding Overexerted, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of a commonly misunderstood word, overexerted. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. Let's dive in. Overexerted is a term often used to describe a state of extreme physical or mental fatigue, usually resulting from excessive effort or activity. It's important to understand that overexertion can happen both physically and mentally. We'll look at examples to clarify this. When someone is physically overexerted, it means they have pushed their body beyond its comfort or capacity. This could be due to intense exercise, long hours of manual labor, or not resting enough. Signs include muscle fatigue, breathlessness, and exhaustion. Let's see some examples. After running the marathon, I felt completely overexerted. She overexerted herself during the workout and needed to rest. Mental overexertion, on the other hand, relates to excessive cognitive activities. It can happen due to prolonged periods of stress, intense concentration, or lack of sleep. Symptoms may include feeling overwhelmed, irritable, or unable to focus. For instance, working on the project for hours, he felt overexerted and couldn't think clearly. Continuous studying without breaks led to her feeling mentally overexerted. Now that we understand what overexerted means, let's learn how to incorporate it into our daily language. Remember, it's an adjective, so it describes a state or condition. Here are a few examples. I'm feeling overexerted after the long hike yesterday. Avoid getting overexerted by taking regular breaks during work. It's also crucial to know how to prevent overexertion. Balance is key. Whether it's physical or mental tasks, taking breaks, practicing relaxation techniques, and listening to your body are essential strategies. A balanced approach ensures you stay productive without getting overexerted. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand and use the word overexerted correctly. Remember, it's all about recognizing your limits and taking care of yourself. Stay tuned for more videos, and happy learning!